Ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? This practice can be traced back to the Black Death's bubonic plague in the 14th century. People believed that sneezing could be an early sign of the plague, which killed 1/3 of the European population. So people would say bless you as a protective prayer to express hope that the sneezer would not fall ill.
Achoo! Bless you!
From Gesundheit to Salud, different cultures have their unique responses to sneezes, reflecting their traditions and customs. Today, science has revealed that sneezing helps clear irritants from our noses. And now, saying bless you has become a universal gesture of goodwill. According to Guinness World Records, Donna Griffiths from UK sneezed uncontrollably for 976 days.